Welcome to another session of in-house CBSE training. I welcome all the teachers and the delegates. Today our presenter is Mr. Piyush, the resource person is Mr. Piyush, and today's subject is role of theatre and drama in classroom. Welcome, Mr. Piyush. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Good afternoon, all teachers and principals, sir. Today's topic is role of theatre and drama in classroom. First of all, what is drama? Drama is simply referred to as a form of fiction which is represented in performed in a theatre, radio, TV, and any of its performing art such as play, meme, ballet, or musical etc. The word drama is actually taken from Greek word drama or dryo, which also refers to do. I do an action. This acting or performing action comes in play through theoretical radio, TV, or live performance of a fictional story. What is importance of drama in education? A spoon feeding a chunk of information and a student gulping to down without reason can be disastrous for society. To stimulate creativity, smart learning, critical thinking, and logical reasoning in students, drama and arts play a pivotal role in education. If in a controlled atmosphere, a group of students are asked to replicate a historic scene, a student find it easy to remember and understand without having to cram a bunch of names and dates of history. Drama and arts in education have been inculcated as part of the curriculum at many institutions around the world to promote effective learning. Be it through puppetry or a role play, a student learn the interpersonal and group of communication and public speaking skills, and also the method help to foster knack for exploration in them. Here are the key reasons about the importance of drama and arts in education. Teaches self-expressions. Children learn about the importance of self-expression through use of drama, art in education, and through creative expressions. Their perceptions and worldview are broader, which equip them with the skills to face advertise late in life. Usage of drama is also like a life skill training. It imparts a student with various life skills like teamwork, compassion, cooperation, and collaboration. Learn constructive criticism. Children also learn about taking constructive criticism and feedback in a way that help them become better individuals. Contribute to a personality development. The use of drama and art in education also accelerate personality development in a student. Find their voice. Through the theater and performing arts, students are able to find their unique voice that help them explore their inner talent, skill, and competencies. Problem solving skill also can identify through the drama, through creative arts. From a student learn about the value of problem solving in every situation as they learn to be improved. Work around various things to thrive as a team and become a super at a problem solving. Learner to lead. Using drama and art in the education also teaches a student to do the hat of leaders and imbibe central skill pertaining to leadership and teamwork. Benefits of drama and arts in education: facilitate a better learning environment, boost imagination, increase participation, imparts soft skills, engaging learners in problem solving, diverse disclosure, co-work with, and co-learning. Benefits of drama in education in a world where the needs for leaders, influencers, and thinkers is imminent and growing. The education sector has added responsibilities to it by implementing effective teaching. The quality of education is certainly to increase. The core benefits of using drama and art in education as the tool of education can be summed up in the following points. A student become better learners. They learn to emphasize with other social elements. With the spirit of co-working, they develop an attitude of co-learning. Using their leadership skills, they develop an attitude of co-learning, help and resolve at the conflict at the micro level or large level as well as in societies also. They become torture bearers or critical thinking and encourage the flow of discourse. Having understood the code of education, they also devise the methods of creative learning. The students are able to yield better results and act as a catalyst for the change in society. The student comprehend the difference between education and experience. Importance of art in education. Succeed in school. What is the role of art in education? Art in education can make learning fun and engaging, while also inculcating many important skills in learners like critical thinking, improve analytical thinking, life skill, teamwork, and more. Here you need to know about the role of art in education. Thinking, life skills, teamwork, and more. Here is also you need to know about the role of art, creativity, motor skills, improve academic performances and confidence, perseverance, focus, accountability, and collaboration. These are the key highlight points of arts in education. Creative. The use of art in education makes children more creative and imaginative through the various co-curriculum activities. Motor skills. There are two types of motor skills: fine motor and gross motor skills. Art also invited students with the useful motor skills, especially in younger age. They learn to hold a coloring brush or draw different shapes, etc. through their fine motor skills. Improve academic performance. As a student are able to learn better with engaging artistic learning method. The role of art in education is also to improve academic performance. Confidence. Different form of art help learners discover their talents and foster their creativity, thus make them more confident about their unique abilities. Perseverance. Art requires immense practice and endeavor to find one's creative spirit, thus it also fosters perseverance in children. Focus. By boosting creativity and imagination of children, art in education also improves focus, thereby making children more active in a classroom. Accountability. Children learn to be a part of a group through performing arts and other forms of art. They learn about accountability and how important it is, especially in a teamwork. Collaboration. Similarly to accountability, children learn the essence of collaboration in every art form, whether it is performing arts, working individuals, or support the talent of other children. Decision making. As children get busy in different artistic activities, they need to think on their feet, whatever it is playing a character in a play, drawing or sketching something or even create a story. Their decision making and critical thinking skill are thus boosted. Objectives of drama and arts in education. Here are the key objectives of drama and arts in education. A student will learn about theatre and performing arts and transform simple stories into wonderful scripts. A student will be equipped with the key critical thinking skills, performance skills, speaking and writing skills, public speaking skills, and teamwork. Through drama and art in education, a student can also be imparted with the knowledge of pronunciation, intonation, as well as storytelling. Language learning skills are also strengthened through the use of drama and art in education. A student will also know about body language, importance, performance, and presenting a story in front of audience. Theatre in education. Storytelling is a powerful tool to facilitate learning in a meaningful manner. Since theatre itself a potential driver of bringing impactful change in society, it can also play a crucial role in utilizing drama and arts in education. Using theatrical, musical, as well as dramas, learning can be carried out in an interesting manner. It caters to different learning methods as it adheres to VARK. That means visual, oral, reading or read or write, or kinesthetic sensory in education, which is a famed technology modeled by the Neil Fleming and emphasizes on the usage of creativity. Through creative stories and theatre drama, a multi-sensory experience can be curated, thus making learning a fun and engaging process. How to use drama in education? The element of drama used in the process of education may vary for institutions depending on the approach they use and the goal they aspire to achieve. The common form of drama implemented in the process of imparting education is a role play. Role play involves a group of students in a controlled atmosphere where they replicate a scene from history or from a play or a movie. The students are given the role of characters of the event. They not only learn to understand the mentality of the character but also learn behavioral of the character. Psychology. Based on which they make critical judgment to help the student immerse in the scene and to understand its essence. Use of customs and seeds is made. The activity not only help them become better thinkers and storytellers if in the future, but also develop in them confidence to engage in their life with others in a healthy manners. For future filmmakers and dramatists, the activity turned out to be cornerstone of their career. Other than role play for utilizing drama and art in education, you can also explore the following type of co-curricular activities to engage children and carving out a better learning experience. Meme. Meme exercise using a drama to act out different concepts. Create literary sketches, writing a story from their favorite drama's characters, one word story, break the fourth wall and help the characters to facilitate critical thinking. Implementing art in learning. Making use of art from is the best way to attract young students to learning. It is hard for a teacher to tell a story in kindergarten about the benefits of education. I read even Francis Bacon reciting his iconic essay of studies to a group of kindergarten students would fail terribly to convince a student at the tender age to read. In order to start the learning process for a student at a young age, art is the best tool. The graphical representation of text, assigning a picture to an object, and to tell a story through motion graphics or toy has proven to be effective in exposing the young student to educational journey. Some of the prominent activities you can practice with children to help them learn better are painting and drawing, using visual to learn something, transforming complicated concepts into rhymes and songs, using puppets to explain a concept, creating stories from single word. What is arts in education can make learning fun and engaging while also inculcating many important skills. In learner like critical thinking,